Let's be honest. Working 9 to 5 in 2025 feels like owning a flip phone in the iPhone era. The world's changing, and fast. Freelancers are the new CEOs, and AI is the intern that never sleeps. But here's the twist most people miss. The freelancers who are using AI, they're the ones hitting six figures while others burn out juggling 12-hour days and 5 clients. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'd build a six-figure freelance career using AI tool from scratch. No fluff, no fake lambos, just strategy, automation, and hustle powered by AI. Let's get into it. Step 1 is the one most people ignore, and it's where your unfair advantage begins. Don't freelance in what you love. Freelance in what pays well and scales fast. Pick a service that businesses always need. Copywriting, graphic design, video scripts, social media content, SEO blog posts. You don't need to be Hemingway. You just need ChatGPT and an eye for polish. With tools like Jasper, WriteSonic, and ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality content in minutes, not hours. If you're charging $50 per hour while AI does the same job in 10 minutes, you're losing. Now that you've picked your money-making skill, here's how you prove you're worth it. In freelancing, perception is reality. If your profile looks outdated or empty, you're toast. But with Notion AI or Copy.ai, you can create a full portfolio, service descriptions, client case studies in under 60 minutes. Remember when you spent 3 hours designing a resume? AI builds you a brand in less time than it takes to watch a Netflix episode. Use Canva plus Midjourney to create modern visuals, mock-ups, and banners. It's your personal design team without the salary. Your future client is stalking your LinkedIn right now. What are they seeing? Now you look like a pro. But where are the clients? Let's go hunting. The biggest lie in freelancing? Build it and they will come. Nope. You have to go get the bag. With tools like Hunter.io, Apollo, and ChatGPT, you can automate outreach that feels personal, right? Custom emails, DM pitches, LinkedIn messages, all powered by AI prompts tailored to specific industries. It's like sending 50 sales emails before breakfast without getting out of bed. Clients on board? Great. Now let's talk about how to deliver top-tier work without working 60-hour weeks. Here's where the real money is made. AI stacking. Combine tools like ChatGPT for ideas and outlines, Grammarly for polish, Surfer SEO for blog optimization, Zapier for workflow automation. You'll look like a team of 5, but it's just you and a dashboard. This is how you avoid burnout and how you raise your rates without working more hours. Set up AI workflows that deliver content, post on social media, and follow up with clients automatically. So how do you go from a few clients to consistent $10,000 months? Freelancers sell hours. Six-figure freelancers sell systems. Turn your service into a package. 4 blog posts / month for $750. Social media content calendar for $1,000. Email funnels for $1,200. Then, automate fulfillment with AI plus scale by onboarding similar clients. If you're still trading time for money in 2025, you're getting replaced. Not by a person, by a prompt. The future is simple. Either you use AI or AI uses you. You now have the full roadmap to build a six-figure freelance business, powered by AI, fueled by action. The tools exist. The clients are waiting. And your only job is to start. Subscribe to SoftScope for weekly deep dives into the smartest tools in tech, side hustles, and wealth systems. Backend index pointing down, drop a comment. Which AI tool are you using to level up your income? And remember, you don't need more hours in the day. You need smarter systems.